Today I'm going to run through how to change out the final drive oil, which is back here. First up, we're going to remove the mudguard. That's going to be a Torx bit 30 and you've got 3 bolts to remove. 1, 2, 3. Next up is remove the filler cap. This is where the oil goes in. That looks to be a Torx bit 40, but there is a lot of crap in there, but that looks about right. Be mindful that there is a little washer on the head of this as well. So that's what it looks like when it's done. There's the bolt out, and that is a crush washer just up the top up here. The next stage is removing the drain bolt itself, which is located on the bottom. We'll see it right here. As soon as you start loosening that, you're going to have oil come out. For me, what I'm going to do is I've got a jug and I'm going to measure how much exactly comes out of it, so I know how much has to go back in. It is recommended that it's 180 ml. So and just let it run out. This is an aftermarket bolt. If I remember, I'd done this about a year ago. Now, once that's been left draining for about 5 minutes or so, and you've sorted out your drain plug and give it a clean up, made sure there's no debris or crap on it, you put it back in, and the torque is 15 foot-pound. So looking there, I don't know if it'll come clear in the camera, but it's there's a 200 mil mark, and then there's a drop down which is about 180 mil as we thought, and I've marked it with 3 black dots. So when I get rid of this oil, I'm going to fill this back up. I know how much oil is to go back into it. This is the oil that's recommended in the part of the world that I live in. 75.90. To put in the oil. Take the bolt. I'm going to put on a new crush washer. It costs about 25 pence or so, but they don't look absolutely perfect. I find it odd to put it up there, but they do. It's going back in at 15 foot-pound. Your mudguard's going back on. It's 6 foot-pound. I'm going to put a small, tiny bit of tread lock on. If you don't have a torque wrench, 6 foot-pound is literally just barely hand tight. So that is it. Done and dusted. Short and sweet. How to change your rear drive oil.